Welcome guys to my channel again. Today I'll be doing this new buy challenge from Frontend Mentor that was released recently. So guys, at the end of the day, I'm going to have a end product that is like this one. So please go ahead and download the startup package here for free. And I've already downloaded it. So this is what I have here. Without wasting time, guys, let me get on to the work. First of all, guys, like I'm going to start in my output product. I'll have a background that is light blue, and also I'll have a container that is inside right at the middle there. So without wasting time, let me get on it. I'll start off by having a main class. Main. This will be for everything. Okay, this will include everything. So let me cut everything here. Okay, next guys, I need to realize that I'm going to have a div that shall cover everything here with a white background. I'll give it a class name cover or simply sender. Let me give the simply sender. Yeah, sender is better. This will cover this content. Cut it and paste it there. So I need to insert in the image. Images slash. This is our image. QR code dot png. Just put an out of logo. Just text that will appear if the image doesn't appear. So underneath there, I'll realize that I need a div to include this text. Div. Let him give it a class of text. So now our first one will be a heading, of course, and we will also have a paragraph beneath. So let me cut my text and place it appropriately cut. I also need to take this text as well. Cut. Now let me remove the unnecessary spacing. Control S save. Let's check a look at the new browser, how everything looks like. Now I need to implement CSS styling. I'll start off with the body. Remember our body with a light blue background. And set the same background color. Let's take a look on our CSS guide. It could be this one. Let me check this one. So I need my content to be displayed flexi. I'm going to use the flexi. And our flexi direction is very important. I put in a column the y axis. For our cover, we need a minimum height of, let's say, 100 VH. Justify the content to be center. Align our items. Let me take a look at how everything now looks like. Reload. Yes, everything is going. Now I need to resize the image as I create. I need to resize. I need to resize this image to put it in the center with the white background. So our class is called div. Our class is called center. Sorry, center dot center. Background color of white. Text align. We need to center it. Then padding. Let me just say 10 pixels. Let me say 17 pixels. The width. The width doesn't have to be like this. The width of our background of our body. So we need to minimize it. I'll give it a width of 250 pixels because we don't want it to cover the whole page. And also a height, we have to reduce it. I'll give to 450 pixels. I notice that the angles have been cut there with a border radius property. I'll give you 20 pixels. Let's take a look at how everything now looks. Okay, I need to resize the image there because it's too big. Width, I'll make it equal to the div. It's 250 pixels. The height shouldn't be greater than the than the than the than the than the center div. So let me give it something equivalent like 60% of everything. So I'll give it 270 pixels. As well, I need to cut the angles. Let's take a look at everything. Yes, everything is now fitting okay. Now I need to style the underneath there, but just a little bit of styling will do because remember our class is called text here. Here's our class name text. Let me target the H1 in particular this one. Font size. Let's say 20 pixels. Color. It's like dark blue, so I need to go get this up. code. Now let's take a look at everything else. Now it looks like, yes, it's improving. Now I need to also start the paragraph underneath. Dot class name text paragraph font size. It should be less than 20, which is the heading, so I'll give it 14 pixels. Color. Let's go to our these are color codes. And I'll need to give it a padding. Or let's say 6 pixels. So guys, let me check on our. Okay guys, there it is guys. The OE has been successfully completed. So guys, I'll leave the code underneath and in the description, and you can all download the code. Thank you very much.